Hi guys, this is my first ever makeup tutorial. Remember to hit the subscribe button and everything, and don't judge me. It's my first ever makeup tutorial. Anyway. Okay, so as you guys know, it's my first ever makeup tutorial, so I'm gonna try my best. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. Might be just a simple one color makeup look. It might be multiple. Who knows? Let's do this. Okay, so I made my little sweatshirt on because I don't have a appropriate t-shirt on the build. I don't feel like I can monetize whatever what happens. Copyright, I don't know. For it. I usually put moisturizer on, but I'm not going to do foundation today because I don't feel like doing that. Either way, my foundation is Fit Me 235 matte and poreless. A foundation. That's my foundation. That's why I use my cosplay, whatever. I'm not sure what's on color anymore. I think it's cosplay. Who knows? We'll find out. Okay, first step is to put eyeshadow primer. Eyeshadow primer. And I use Milani, I believe is how you say it. It might be flipped around. I'll fix that when I can. Okay, let's put this on. As you know, as usual YouTubers, I'm gonna do one eye, and then come back and do the other eye, and that'd be it, because I don't do anything else, so... Let's zoom you in a little bit. Hi. Ooh, that looks so bad in this lighting. Just kidding. Anyway, first off, I might put this on first. I usually put tape on first, and I usually go from the corner eye to the edge of my eyebrow, which is higher than I thought because, you know, hail. I'm going to do the second side because to me it's just so much easier having the second side already, because, you know, again, remember, corner of the eye usually up to the eyebrow, and it's supposed to look really long, and you don't need to do like really long ones. As you can see, I do have what they call it, droopy eye. I don't know. It's so bad. Oh, that looks so crazy. Let's see. Boom. Boom. Wow. Okay, it actually looks... Wait, I might actually snip this a little bit, so give me a minute. Here we go. Next up for eye primer, as I said, I use Milani, which is possibly my favorite right now because it matches me, and how much I put in is I do a little smiley face, 1, 2, and then whoop. And that's usually enough for both eyes. I did just wash my beauty blender, so it has less on it now, and I'm sorry to run out on this tube because honestly, my Connie cosplay takes a lot. Because I use some for like other places too. Anyway, let's start doing this. Let me get my mirror out, which is an old palette, which I'm not going to show you because it's a controversial palette and I hate having it. It's a conspiracy palette, and I hate it. But it's so good at the same time. I hate saying that. Anyway, anywho, we can see that my primer kind of matches my eye, but not really. There we go. Go up to that. And there we go, my primer's on. Okay. Next step is eyeshadow. I'm using this You Can Be palette called Pretty All Set. And today I feel like I'm gonna be doing a little greeny type of vibe. So there's no names, and on the back is nothing. Yep, nothing about the entire palette. Okay, Oh wait. Ooh, maybe some red. You think it might be good? Never think of crime. Don't know why. Okay, whatever. So I'm gonna use this unknown brush. Okay, probably not helpful, but anyway, this unknown brush, and I'm gonna dip into I feel like purple. No, I've been using purple a lot because, you know, Belsky, Pauline uses a lot of purple. Pauline Cosplay uses like a lot of purple, so I'm kind of over purple right now. Ooh, some dark green. Yeah, some dark green. Don't this makeup look is probably gonna look like a complete crap, so don't judge me. Who knows? Anyway, put some of this. Oh, not dark green actually, light green actually. Light green. And we're gonna go all the way down to the tape. Oh my. Oh, this baby's popping off. Pigment's popping off, baby, today. Thank God. Human pigment isn't usually so popping off, popping rocket type of thing. I'm not going to use any eyeliner today because I don't feel like doing that. I hate eyeliner, not gonna lie to you. Usually looks crap on me. Okay, so next step would be, I believe this is a lighter green, if I'm correct. If it's not, then possibly darker green. Let me check. Oh, it looks exactly the same. There we go. I thought that was a lighter green. It looked lighter. Next, there's this beautiful kind of shimmery green. Shimmery darker green, unless it's the exact same color again. I don't believe so. Which we're gonna put on the outside. Oh, yeah, it's different. Oh my God. Outside of the eyebrow. Outside. It does, usually these type of shells, I believe, usually do give off some, ooh, look at that. Some like after effect, I don't know what it's called. But yeah, then I'm gonna drag it down a little bit against it to give that baby some pop to it. Oop, I did not mean to put some of that on my thing. Now we're going to do some darker green inside from the Conspiracy palette, don't judge me. Illuminati, sorry. I'm going to put some in the middle. Right there. Okay, this baby's not given what I need. And with me, because my hooded eyes, it doesn't take much. I kind of just drag it along the middle because some of my eyes will be a little bit hooded. I have hooded eyes. So, see? So I'm going to drag it a little bit onto this side a little bit. And you can kind of see, if you have hooded eyes, you can understand, you can kind of see where the fold is going to be. And that's what you want to go with. Don't go over it usually, like me right now. Because when you open your eye, it's gonna look really weird. See, you can say it looks gonna look a little bit weird. That's why. And you kind of see that you can kind of hide some extract with a little bit more of the other color. See, don't judge. See, this is why I say don't be like so like judgy, because it's probably not gonna be the best tutorial on the planet. Because I'm not good at tutorials. There we go. Then I'm gonna wipe that bit off. And then we're gonna go on to highlight. And this, you can just wipe your thing against your entire like pants, because these are gonna be my makeup pants. Now I'm going to just a theory, and we're gonna put it right in the middle. Boop, boop, boop. And you can see that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, bitch. You can see this is looking good. I'm really happy. It's probably gonna look complete crap when I show you my other eye because I'm terrible. I'm on this side. Then we can go into a little bit of ranch and kind of swipe it and get more on the outside. We're just gonna go into my eyebrow a little bit because I put myself high because no, 100 eyes, so I need to get prepared for that. We can mix it into the highlight. It's gonna give like that, like, to me, kind of snatch look. And then we can take this off, this part off, this tape off. You can see that bitch was a little bit uneven. What the hell? Something on the bottom. Anyway, to make up for that, we can just kind of take some extract from the entire thing. We just kind of like do that. And I've been getting into putting a little bit on the bottom. A little bit of extract on the bottom. Look at that bitch. There we go. Holy crap, this is really cute. Damn. Now, I'm going to my other side. There we go. Look at that. Here's my makeup look. I might put just a teensy bit of blush a little bit here and there. There's this flaming hot Cheeto. We need some highlight. Here we go. There you guys go. There's my first ever makeup tutorial. I might put some pictures at the end, so get ready.